Welcome to Lesson 1, where we'll continue to look at interpolation and extrapolation. In this video, we'll focus on extrapolation, which involves estimating a value that lies beyond the data points on the graph. So the graph will have to be extended for you to estimate the value you want. So in example 1, we have to estimate the value of y when x is 6. So find 6 on the x-axis, and if I draw my line up, I see that the graph doesn't touch, so I'm going to have to extend my line. So you're going to want to use a ruler for this. So if I extend my line, I can see around here, I get a y value of 40. When x is 6. Now for b, I have to find the value of x when y is negative 35. So again, I'll find negative 35 down on the y-axis, draw my horizontal line over and see that it doesn't touch the line. So I'm going to now have to extend my graph so I can extrapolate what the value would be. And this seems to be, if I go straight up here, again, using a ruler is what you should be doing here, seems to be about negative 5.2, say. So that is extrapolating. So let's look at a word problem here. It says, Danielle is planning a wedding. The total cost of renting a room plus the meal price for each person is shown below. So we have on the x-axis the number of guests, and on the y-axis the total cost. So A, we have to estimate the cost if there are 120 guests. So again, placing a ruler at 120 and going straight up, you'll see that the graph does not touch. So we'll have to extend our dotted line. Of course, it's a dotted line as this data here is discrete. So if I look at around this point right here and then go straight across, I can estimate the cost then. So if this is 1,300 here, looks to be around 1,350. So I'm going to estimate the cost to be around 1,350. Now B says if the cost was 1,500, how many guests would there be? So drawing a horizontal line over from 1,500 would be around here, and then we have to go straight down. Again, we need a ruler here. And looks to be about halfway. I'm going to say 135 guests.